Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make pumpkin pie pancakes. It's all the flavor of pumpkin pie in pancake form. You are going to love this one. To start, you'll need 1.5 cups of buttermilk, and you can use real buttermilk or my buttermilk substitute. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then the star of the show, 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And you want to make sure you're using the puree and not the pumpkin pie mix. Whisk this all together. Whisk it long enough so that all the egg gets beaten in and everything is nice and smooth. Then we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then all of our pumpkin pie flavorings. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and then just a pinch of cloves. Whisk this all in. It is already starting to smell like pumpkin pie in here. I'm so hungry. Last, you'll need to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Sprinkle that in and mix it in until everything is combined, until you have a nice smooth pancake batter. Next, get a non-stick griddle or other flat pan heating over medium-high heat. Today, I'm gonna use my electric griddle because it's a little bit easier to show you. I use a 1/4 cup measuring cup and scoop the batter up. Scoop it right onto our griddle. Everybody always wonders, how do you know when your pancake is ready to flip? Let me show you. You'll notice these little bubbles start to form and pop, and the edges start to lose their shine and look dry. That's when you know it's time to use your spatula and give it a flip. Do not press down on the tops of these pancakes. Just let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the other side is golden brown as well. These pancakes go particularly well with my famous caramel syrup. So good. Then you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.